I'm going to crawl underneath here and see what the underside looks like. I got a chance to look at it before, but I couldn't see it in great detail. So I want to take a closer look if I can. And a little hole here in the muffler. Nothing big to worry about. It's in really great shape. Look at the I'm told that the engine will turn over, but it hasn't started. Looks like a little bit of Bondo there. We'll see what that looks like when I take these fenders off. But overall, looks really great. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm not sure what was going on up there. Oh, that's the hood latch. So maybe that hole's supposed to be there. Yeah, it definitely looks like this has been coated. The one thing I'll say is that this does not have any hydraulic brakes. This is the arm for a mechanical brake that go up to the front brake shoes on that side and over here on this side. And I suspect the same to the back. Right here. So, yeah, I'm not sure how well those are going to work. I haven't gotten inside the vehicle to actually try to do anything other than put my foot inside the door and push the clutch down. So I was more concerned about the transmission than I was the brakes. So overall, I think things look really great. I was originally thinking I would take it down to the frame, have the frame coated, but to be honest with you, I don't think that looks necessary. I think things are actually better than I expected. So overall, I feel pretty good about it. I've already taken out the seats, the back seat and the two front bucket seats, as they would be called, sitting over here. Those are the original seats. The original wooden frame and springs with the burlap covering over top of it, and the original wool padding that goes down. So not in the best of shape fabric-wise, but the rest of it's in really great shape, so I'm pretty satisfied with that. So these doors are made of wood. You can see here. I want to actually take this apart a little bit more. I want to grease up all the gears and assemblies in here. The door latch, I haven't seen one of these things in a long time, and the last time I saw something like this was in a house that I lived in when I was a kid. They had similar door latch assemblies in the interior doors. And that's what that reminded me of as soon as I saw that door latch. So I'd have to, and that was a pretty old house. I have to assume that this is original as well. It's a little stiff. The spring is in there. It's really stiff. So I'm gonna take that apart and grease it up a little bit, and make sure it's pretty smooth to operate. I've got the handles for the windows. I've already rolled them up and down. They're a little stiff, so they need some greasing as well. So I'm interested in some feedback from people. What do you guys think I should do with these interior door panels? Just leave them as they are? Should I try to somehow protect them? Put something on to protect them? It might be difficult to get them out of there. I don't know if I'll be able to break those screws loose. Alright, so it's getting a little chilly in here and closed up the workshop. Try to get it. There we go. Yeah. One over here. Okay, so you see all these nails here? Work towards getting them all out, okay? Start with those ones. You just get underneath and try to work it up. Look, don't really, remember, we don't want to hurt the wood, okay? So do your best to get it up. If it breaks off like this, don't worry about it.
What if the screwdriver snaps?
Why would it snap? It's just a small nail. That's a 91-year-old nail. It's going to break before that screwdriver breaks, okay?
Daddy, what are we going to throw these away?
No!
What are you going to do with them?
I hope, don't take them away. Stay here with them. I hope to be able to repair them.
Who's going to fix it?
Mom's going to work on putting new fabric and cushion on, just like she did the, yeah, I'm going to keep a hold of that. Okay, that should come off. Now this should come out. There you go. So we need to grease all this up so it'll work a lot smoother. Alright, see that there's a spring in here, we're going to grease all that up. Which we're not going to worry about right now. This goes with that other one. You asked, do we throw it away?
She got her hair stuck in the wheel.
Are you serious?
Alana's the one that pushed me around.
Get up.
Trim.
Get up.
Ow.
No, I'm not. My hair's dirty.
Billy, you want to set that up upright alongside the toolbox? Yeah. Can sometimes be fun, girls, but can also be dangerous. Don't know if I can get that off. Maybe there's quite a bit of play in there. Let me give it a try. Almost. And there's the door mechanism. Now that window slides freely.